Good morning, everyone. I'm Craig from Lovindisworld, and today I'm at Disney's Polynesian Resort Villas and Bungalows. Now, you may have seen we did a video of a tour of a standard studio here at Disney's Polynesian. Well, I'm back because I want to give a little bit of an update. So we're not going to do a full tour. We'll have that video at the end of this one. But I just want to show you, they did a refresh of the studios and a little bit of renovations. I just want to show you a couple things that are different. I think the change is definitely for the better, but hopefully you will too. Let's check it out. So when you first enter the studio, the layout is still the same as it's always been here at the Polynesian. You have this little walkway, you have a connecting door, because the Polynesian doesn't offer anything other than studios on the DVC side. So if you're traveling with a larger party, you may want to consider getting 2 rooms, and you can have them be adjoining, and you just use that door right there. The first room you come up to is the very large bathroom. Very, very large bathroom. Kind of a typical bathroom, nothing over the top about it. It's just big. It's just a big bathroom. And then what kind of sets Polynesian apart studio-wise from some of the other studios is it actually offers a second shower, which this one here is really nice because it has the rain head, shower. It's another place to get another adult to get ready. It makes things a lot easier, especially if you're traveling with more than one adult or even some children to get things ready. And then of course, right here, you have your closet. Definitely a nice sized closet. But let's take a look at what has changed. So you'll notice as soon as you enter the bedroom area, this is where the change occurs. So previously, they had this pull-out couch, a sleeper sofa, that was an orangish color. Now it's refreshed. It's very Moana looking, even though they do still have the Stitch artwork on the back. But the blue is beautiful. I really like the blue. But the biggest feature of all, no longer do we have the pull-out couch. We now have a pull down, which makes it a lot easier. Now, granted, this has some weight to it, but this is much, much better and much easier to do than just pulling out a couch. Plus, when you're done, you just push it right back up and it just goes back into place. That is much better than having to try to clean up or put together a sleeper sofa. Not that that was difficult, it just added some time. And then you'll also notice they did a refresh of the chairs as well. They now match the sofa. Once again, that beautiful blue color. It's just really, really nice. On the DVC side, there are 2 basic types of views. You have the standard view, which is what we have here, which is overlooking parts of the quiet pool and most of the grounds. And then you have a lake view, which is in the Maria building. Now the lake view rooms are pretty nice. You can see the fireworks, see the bungalows, you can see the Magic Kingdom, Grand Floridian, Contemporary. Once again, this is just a standard studio. I just wanted to show you some of the differences in the accessories. The biggest thing for me is just down that pull down bed. And then there's also a bed here underneath the TV. So basically, this room is set to sleep 5. I don't know if I'd want to sleep 5. That might get a little difficult, but it is set to sleep 5. So I know this was a brief video, but we hope you enjoyed it. I think just getting to see the little differences is kind of a big deal. I just love this pull down bed. I think it's kind of a game changer because I don't think all the studios have it. I think Saratoga Springs went to the pull down. I think Riviera was one of the first that had the pull down when that first opened. And it's so much nicer than having the pull out couch, quicker, much quicker. And you know, the Polynesian, it's a good resort. It's centrally located to the Magic Kingdom. It's pretty easy to get over to Epcot. You can literally just walk over to the transportation, take a center, and take that monorail over to Epcot. And you know, after a long night in the parks, nothing's better than just being able to come back and get into your room pretty quickly. So once again, hope you enjoyed today's video. Hope you found it informative. Hope you like seeing the changes. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. We'd really appreciate that. As always, be on the lookout for new content and join us next time. We'll show you why we are Lovin' DisWorld. Have a good day, everyone.